Hi, well I finally finished my Sherman M4 and put it on a board. I'll show you what the snow texture I used. It was the first time I've used it, so I'm not too happy with it, but it's not too bad. I'm just putting my Sherman M4 onto a board and putting some snow ground texture. This is what I'm using. It's a simple thing. I just use a brush and put it where it's needed. Also I've got some, this is Tamiya 1 Dark Earth, which I've been using along here. And for the footprints, I've just been using an old one to put footprints in. The figures have already been painted and ready to go on. On the box art, it shows you, what you can do and how you can finished. I put some dark earth colours around. I used this weathering powder, which was dark earth. I used some of the weathering powder for the footprints around near the tank. The straps for the rifle was just made of paper. So there it is. That's just a few things I used. The board's actually MDF, medium density fibre board. I've just made a base. It was mainly because of the figures that did come with the kit. I wanted to include them. Thank you for watching.